Hello, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 12i. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Google Wallet. And as you can see, from the homepage of Google Wallet you can add a card and different types of cards. If you go here, you've got access to your Google account, wallet tips, tap to pay setup. Unfortunately it's not available because this phone doesn't have NFC. Full list of participating banks. Password manager. Your data in wallet, where you can manage payments data and manage passes data. Wallet settings, where you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from wallet and Google Pay. Next we've got help and feedback, and that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.